The best download of the year is free. The redesigned 10 News app is the fastest, easiest way to connect to major news anytime, anywhere. Live video, breaking news, and weather on demand. Upgrade to San Diego's best news app. Get it now. Search 10 News in the App Store. Live from the Scripps Studios, this is San Diego's news source, 10 News.
There's a lot of excitement down at the San Diego International Auto Show.
That's right, hundreds of new vehicles, concept cars, and interactive displays. So let's check in with our floor reporter live at the 10 News Experience.
We're live here at the auto show where there are a lot of new cars. Come check out the hottest new concept cars, tricked out rides, classics, and more. There's a lot of fun going on here at the auto show. Back to you in the studio.
Thanks and great job. For more information on this year's auto show, visit our website, 10news.com.